Alright, get just there, brothers. Mới đi mua con gà rồi đó, yeah. I'm talking about this is where we got fried chicken. Yeah, hồi nãy mới đi ăn McDonald's thôi á, bên đó Wendy's cũng có luôn rồi, yeah. Hey, có 6 đồng một phần chicken Wendy chicken nugget luôn rồi đó, so khi ăn Wendy's thì hơn KFC á là đã giống như McDonald's cho nó bất dầu á. Yeah. Oh, do you gamble? Maybe I can win the lottery ticket for you to present Damien after my exam with Damien at Golden West. With Aileen, Christina and Kabe, and Karen is for Stephanie. I wish Jacqueline was included, but Jacqueline's gone now, so I only have a Stephanie. Yeah, hồi nãy ăn gà chiên luôn rồi, trước KFC đây rồi, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's that white film. Oh, yeah. Gary, don't you like being filmed too, or no? No, I was aiming towards your side because of the restaurants I was focusing on. That's if I was to turn my camera towards you for that view. Oh yeah, because of Ivy moved already to OCC. I wish I would correlate Ana Garcia, but Ivy moved before Ana came. Yeah, so Jerry retired. He used to be in my neighborhood before, but his house was sold because he had a condition he can't live alone. Mr. Jerry Castillo. He was a counselor. He was an old professor before, but he just retired a year before you came. He retired in May of 2024. Oh, he was old. He was time for him to move on. He retired, but he was alone because he and his wife had a condition, but his wife died before COVID. So Mr. Kevin Castillo is another adjunct counselor. That's Jerry's son. Did work at OCC for a limited time as a part-time instructor and counselor. But Kevin had to support Jerry now but Kevin Castillo left OCC to work far, but because of his daddy's health condition, his father Jerry cannot live alone, so that's why it's sold. My friend Mindy bought the house where Jerry was before. Mindy, who works at OCC. Mindy Wing. Yeah. Yep, she's my colleague for me to be with Jacqueline and Cassidy. Yep. I've sat in Mindy's car a couple times too. Yeah, Mindy drives a 23 Civic. That's the one that Stephanie Molina drives. Yep, okay, yeah, I'm not so happy to have Amy. Huh? I'm with females a lot. Like, I put Stephanie Molina because she's my expert. Yeah, but yep, I'm this time the video today is about the one from this morning. I'm gonna put you, Robert, and Damien having donuts and hot chocolate. And donuts. And then in the afternoon, I'm gonna put you, the one right now, I'm gonna put you, Damien, and Robert are having fried chicken and fries with like potato wedges and cherry coke. This one's gonna be twice in Espanol y Venimita. But the one this morning's in English only. Yeah. Bánh lắm đây, yep. Damien Jordan at Golden West, yeah. Because you know what, I needed energy to eat with Mindy Win. And Aileen win today. I told Mindy I showed her a picture of me and Stephanie because I told Mindy I love Stephanie. I should bring her a picture of me and Jacqueline. Yeah, okay, yeah, bye-bye, yeah.